Claire here and Bilbo. We are in Cairo, so it's about 35 degrees outside. You might be wondering why I'm absolutely sweltering in a Canada Goose winter coat and hat. And that's because I am mentally preparing for the cold weather of Mongolia. I'm heading back there in a couple of weeks. So I'm preparing my gear, and some of you have asked me what kind of gear I take on these trips at this time of year, which is autumn, generally quite cool weather or freezing cold, very changeable. So I thought I'd take the opportunity to share that with you. All right, let's see. I love you so much, I love you so much. All right, let's pack my bag. All right, first of all, this is the bag that I'll be taking. It's a North Face duffel bag. It's waterproof, it's very tough, ideal for this kind of trip since we won't be carrying our bags very far. We won't be hiking, we don't need a backpack. Just be going from the van to the accommodation, whether it's a hotel, guest house, family home or a tent or a gear. It's very spacious, fits one full beagle. I've tested it, so I think my dogs would like to come. All right, first things first, sleeping bag, essential, of course, warm sleeping bag because this is autumn, the temperature can drop significantly at night. The homes or the gears are heated, there are stoves inside, but at night it can get cold. So this goes down to minus 18 Celsius, which it's warm. Like I stay very warm with this. For me, it's ideal. I really like it. It's a Mountain Hardwear one. And then this is my sleeping mat, a Thermarest, very compact and very easy to inflate, just takes a few puffs. Then a water bottle, essential. We will pack in all of our own water, but we'll be drinking a lot of tea. All Mongolians are incredibly hospitable, it's amazing, and they always have tea on the stove, which is one of the things I really love about the country. I always take a coffee mug, just because I really like my coffee in the morning or my tea. And I love this one that was a gift from my dear friend Beth. So I take this with me everywhere I go. Of course, a warm hat is needed. I take waterproof trousers just in case it's stormy. Not that we tend to get a lot of rain this time of year, but you never know. Good to have. Neck warmer. I always take a first aid kit just in case, and some wound spray that can go in there. I also take a ball cap because it can be warm and sunny. So gotta cover all the bases. Warm gloves, winter gloves. I love these Carhartt gloves. They're really warm, really snug. I can do most things with them. I use them if I'm riding horses, but I find it very difficult to shoot, to use my camera with these gloves. So if I'm going to be shooting, I tend to take these and put them in my pocket, and then I will switch them for my mitts if I'm going to be shooting, just so I have my fingers accessible. I love the little flap, but I mean, my fingers will freeze. If it's very cold, I will get cold hands, but it's a sacrifice I'm willing to make for the perfect shot. I always take a bum bag. I love a bum bag. This is a low alpine one that I've used a lot because I just put my phone in there or any other bits and bobs that I need, maybe some cash, and you don't have to worry about your phone falling out of your pocket. Travel towel, that's going in, essential. Head torch, very needed. We'll use a lot of this. That's a Petzl one that I really like. A few pairs of socks, those can go in. And thick woolly socks. I'll take a few pairs of those. In terms of clothes, I try not to take too much, but just layers, you know, so leggings or long johns, and then hiking pants that are comfortable. It's all about comfort for me, comfort and warmth. So I'll take hiking pants that I can wear layers, leggings underneath. And I'll probably take these trousers too. These are pretty tough. I might take some sweatpants or leave them in the city for when we come back. And then some sweaters. I'm not the tidiest packer. I just like to shove it all in. Some lighter layers. Inside the family homes, it can be very warm. So it's good to be able to shed a few layers when we go inside. So t-shirts, tank tops, that kind of thing. Oh, it's so spacious. I love this bag. And then I'll take a pair of flip-flops if we're going to use a public bathhouse in a village. If we want to have a hot shower, they're excellent. And they're very clean, but you probably just want to have your own shoes. And then these are the only shoes that I will take. I'll probably wear these to travel. They're a pair of Loa hiking boots, which are fantastic. I've had them for ages and they're still like new. Earmuffs. I have ear problems, so these are essential for me. And then since we don't generally have access to running water whilst we're on tour, I take these. It's a shampoo wrap by a company called Nil Aqua, and it's excellent. You don't need any water. You just rub it on your hair. It's eco-friendly and it leaves you feeling fresh and clean, and you just towel dry it. And they also have this excellent body wash, Towel Off by Nil Aqua, and you don't need water. You just wash yourself regularly and then you towel off, and it leaves you feeling very clean and it doesn't have any kind of residue. In terms of medication, of course, goes without saying, must take any medication you need, take enough for the duration of the trip. All I have is sumatriptan. Sometimes I get migraines, so I'll take these with me just in case. Normally in Mongolia, I don't get any migraines. It's only when I'm in the city and feeling a little stressed, I might get them. I take some hand warmers, you know, just in case you get really cold hands, they can come in handy. And then I love this Montbell toiletries bag because it's like super spacious and you can hang it on a tree or a hook or whatever. And in terms of toiletries, I will take, you know, the usual toothbrush, toothpaste, and some moisturizer because it's really dry, and lip balm is very useful. And then I'll take this fleece. I might take 2 fleeces, maybe just one on tour actually, and I'll wear this underneath my Canada Goose jacket. Good, I think that's it. All right, let me know in the comments if you would also like to see a video of what's in my camera bag. I will be happy to do that. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. Thank you very much for listening. Bye for now.